But we always said right from the beginning that a new manufacturing process would have its lumps and bumps, and that has been the case in the past, and I'm sure it will be in the future. We're sourcing vaccines from all over the world, and we are experiencing occasionally some issues, and that's led to this issue with some supply in the coming weeks. But as I say, the main thing is we're still very much on course. We've still got line of sight to deliver the vaccines and to meet our targets. I'm not going to get into the specific contracts that we have with different manufacturers. We're sourcing vaccines from many countries all over the world. It's a very complex international supply chain. And as I say, that does mean occasionally we will experience issues. And that is what we've experienced right now. But there is no reason to be concerned. We are on course to meet our target, which is to get those first categories of 1 to 9 vaccinated by the middle of April. The Prime Minister had spoken earlier in the year to Ursula von der Leyen, and she gave a very clear commitment, which was that the EU would not engage in this sort of activity, that contractual responsibilities would be honoured, and that's exactly what we intend to do, and I hope and expect the EU to stick to their side of the bargain as well. It isn't at all helpful if we enter into this sort of conversation. That's not the way the UK is behaving or wants to behave in the future. We all need to work together to get through this. Supplies of vaccines rely on very complex international manufacturing supply chains, as we've just said, and so everybody needs to have free trade of vaccines and not get into this sort of difficulty.